With politics heating up in India, leaders are busy with rallies for the Phase 1 election. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a rally at Modi Stadium in Udhampur, while Rahul Gandhi and Tamil Nadu CM MK Stalin are set to lead the India Bloc's rally in Coimbatore. Let's take a look at the latest happenings around the upcoming Lok Sabha elections 2024. After a dispute over a video showing RJD's Tejashwi Yadav eating fish, Prime Minister Narendra Modi criticized opposition leaders for consuming non-vegetarian food during the holy month of Sawan. Modi said, and I quote, "Everyone can choose to eat vegetarian or non-vegetarian food, but their intentions are different. The Mughals found satisfaction in vandalizing temples, not in defeating kings." Modi also mentioned that assembly polls will soon take place in Jammu and Kashmir, with statehood being reinstated in the region. On the other hand, addressing a public rally in Tamil Nadu's Tiruvallur, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi stated that the upcoming Lok Sabha polls are a battle between the ideas of Periyar, social justice, equality, and those of RSS, PM Modi and his government. DMK leader Kanimozhi Karunanidhi also spoke at the event. The Jammu and Kashmir National Conference announced its Vice President Omar Abdullah as its candidate for the Baramulla Lok Sabha seat. It also decided to nominate senior party leader Agha Saeed Ruhullah from Srinagar. At a press conference in Srinagar, Omar Abdullah challenged the BJP to field its candidates in the Kashmir Valley. He questioned, despite all the talk about Article 370, development and normalcy, why not field a BJP candidate in the election instead of using proxies?
I don't think I need to react. We'll let the people react. मैं अब अगर वाकई प्राइम मिनिस्टर के कहने में इतना दम है तो बीजेपी के कैंडिडेट मैदान में उतारिए, बीजेपी के नाम पे वोट मांगिए। आप जो आपने 370 पे किया, जो आप डेवलपमेंट के क्लेम्स करते हो, जो आप नॉर्मलसी के क्लेम्स करते हो, बीजेपी के कैंडिडेट को मैदान में उतारिए और देखिए कि बीजेपी के उम्मीदवार को कितने वोट मिलते हैं। ये जो ए टीम, बी टीम, सी टीम को आप यहाँ प्रॉप अप इस्तेमाल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ये छोड़िए।
In a blow to the Congress in Maharashtra, its district presidents in Nasik and adjoining Dhule resigned from their positions, protesting against the decision to nominate former MLA Dr. Shobha Bachav as its Lok Sabha candidate from the Dhule constituency.